Yeah, it's pretty slow.
It's happening, just really slowly. If y'all want, I'm just gonna make it a time lapse. It's taking too long.
What happened?
You can
It's
see.
bubbling. It's bubbling.
Yeah.
What happened?
Look, it's bubbling.
I thought it goes like into a waterfall.
Is that considered a waterfall by your standards?
I thought it would just go.
No, unfortunately not.
It's not that impressive. I mean, anyone can do it.
Yeah.
Actually, it looks so appetizing.
Well, I mean, yeah.
It looks like ice cream.
Does it really? I
Mm,
don't think
does
you
it?
should eat that though.
That doesn't even look like ice cream.
Look
What type of
the
drink?
smooth parts.
What type of drink even looks like that?
It's more like snow.
Mm-hmm.
Like a weird kind of snow.
This doesn't even look like snow, people.
Yeah.
It looks more like ice cream.
Look, I did something.
Mm-hmm.
Something cool.
Sorry it isn't that impressive.
I mean, sorry. I know what you mean, sorry.
I think it's done rising. Please stop doing that, Kiba. Look, Kiba, it's spilled. I think that's about it.
All right.
Can I eat it? It looks so good.
No. You will die.
What did you even put in it?
Soap.
Hey, kind of looks like ice cream.
Water.
Really white ice cream.
You mean vanilla?
Yeah. Even lighter than vanilla. I'm not even sure vanilla ice cream is that color, is it?
I really should wash
Perhaps
my
it is, but I don't know.
I really should wash my hands after this.
What? This is soap. You can just rub yourself.
Yes, but it's also a bunch of other chemicals, and it created a new thing.